So I say confess romance esukisa abakhona.
But mina as in most cases nginokuza abomama bathi since kwafika umntwana ngithanda umntwana more than I love this guy.
Abanye bangathi
Yes.
the guy loves the baby more than he loves
No,
me.
but most of the cases is abomama they love abantwana babo more than their partners.
Oh mama.
Oh mama.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Listen.
Okay,
Okay. Mina what? No. What?
Asimekela lende.
Mina in most cases, mina abocheri would say, since kwafika umntwana, our love is no longer the same. Uthando lami shifted from him to my. Okay, chief. Okay, just to confirm kancane. What do you mean by love is a choice?
A choice. You choose.
You choose to love.
You choose to love.
Yeah, I can agree.
Okay. Will you disagree with me if I say love it's ngathini? Love is like compulsory, but the relationship is a choice.
Don't go there.
Uthini?
You understand that?
What's love is compulsory.
Love is compulsory.
And
So it's
relationship.
compulsory to love someone.
Yes, but not to be in a relationship with that person.
So you can love a person but not be in a relationship.
They even drink beer.
Black label.
They drink beer.
Isavan it's one of the best bought beers limes and yazi ukuthi iphuza
Bafazi.
Bafazi.
And umgqomo.
Mamrup.
Bayibekela.
Bayibiza ngamamrup.
Bayibekela. Ehloko bathi.
Umuntu ashaya 6 uzibuza ukuthi mara lo muntu mara kanjani.
Dala bomama
Angabi na-net.
bebabeka amabhakede.
Yeah, bona
babeka
bama-
isavana bathi. Sikhathe sobe sebasibuza ukuthi sishada nini.
Abantu esobashada. The generation we're going to marry.
I ask myself always ukuthi ngolosine sazoba nabo mama.
Mara matuke.
Alright bafethu. Skipper.
Aye.
Nikren.
Shapamba.
Matau.
Yeah.
Ukren mtana.
Shapamba.
Hi mnandi. Hallelujah. Welcome to another smashing episode of Podchat 101. Of course, it's your boy Tasko, the host of the show, co-hosting with me, Mato. Tangazi ngicale ngaka left, ngicale ngaka right. Choose my Taylor. Co-hosting with me, Matota. On the left, Twana yami, Stulta, Bavaria. Amba nipsala.
Shapamba.
I am Nandi boy. On the right hand side, thing betede. Yabona la. Producer khona into ezayo sikhala sibaningi sikhala sibaningi nangomunye uyakhala la nangomunye uyakhala sanele z hamba ne Brian
Aye kumnandi.
Ukren.
Mnandi mfethu.
mara Brian kungitshele kwafila kanjani ukuphatha one of the hit songs zasemzansi at that time.
Hey bro mfethu ayikho ifeeling edlula le feeling mfethu. It was so amazing nje mfethu experience ukuthi shy hits mfethu eyaduma. It has 1.4 millions now. Back to the roots mfethu. Go and check out. Uyibone.
If only people knew ukuthi this guy is behind that song, eh?
Yeah.
Hey.
Yazi mina I had to meet you to know.
Yeah.
Mara yazi it's so sad Joe.
Yeah.
Abantu abayithole recognition
Yeah.
because bakhona abafana nawo baningi mara they are not.
Hence we are saying there are people aba best on what they are doing but they don't have that exposure.
Yes.
Sure.
True. True. Hayi bafethu mina ngijabulele ukuba nani. It's another episode. Sikhona sifikile ngiphethe izinja zami. Nikren madoda.
Ayivesa kufana mfethu sakuncenga mfethu.
Kancane mtsana. Right
Guy number 1.
Showcase.
madoda kunendaba la. Bathi ngifuna ukuze opinion yenu ningathi ngimi.
Yeah.
Mina ngisithunywa.
No, it's all about the opinions.
Showcase.
Yeah, it's all
mina
about the
ngizwile
opinion.
manje ngifuna
It's
ukuzwa
your
nini
opinion.
ukuthi.
Yeah, then nathi siyabona ukuthi sikhetha kanjani.
Bathi wena noma ungayishiya baby mama kuba ngathi baby mama ishiya wena ekugcineni.
Yeah.
Kanjani? Njani thu?
Awuvumi msana.
Hayi ngiyala.
Bathi ibaby mama noma ngathi Bavaria is over. Isikhathi mase sikhamba abantu babona ngathi wena ushiye yona le baby mama.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. True. In most cases, abo baby daddy bashiya abo baby mama. Not the other way around.
Yeah.
Let's be honest. Not the way.
Kwenziwa yini mara? What's the cause?
hey mna angazi ukuthi ingaba angazi. Angazi.
Okay,
It's just like
your
that. It's
opinion,
just
Usalela ngathi une experience.
yeah. Look,
No,
experience.
it's not about some experiences or no what. Because see live. So I see such to relax.
Yeah.
So
It's opinions.
Yeah, opinions. Mina, in my own opinion,
Yeah.
you understand that this isn't this is baby mama and stuff. Into yenza ukuthi abantu besilisa njalo kube ukuthi njalo mangabe ezoshiya ubaby mama kube uyena oyi victim.
Yeah,
Every time
yeah.
it's just because umuntu wesifazane always uzibuka yena ezengazathi akasekho enough for wena yabo.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
kuba khona izinto ezenzakalayo kwi relationship ekade zingenzeki before the baby.
Yeah.
Yabo. So like romantically kuyaphela. Kunezinto eningasazenzi wena
uthini shaya fasting anizovuka.
Yeah. Yabo. So I say confess romance esukisa abakhona.
But mina yazi in most cases nginokuza bomama bathi since kwafika umntwana ngithanda umntwana more than I love this guy.
Abanye bangathi
Yes.
the guy loves the baby more than he loves
No,
me.
but most of the cases is abo mama they love abantwana babo more than their partners.
Oh mama.
Oh mama.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Listen.
Okay.
Okay. Mina what? No.
Asimekela lende.
Mina in most cases, mina Abu Chair would say, since kwafika umntwana, our love is no longer the same. Uthando lami shifted from him to my baby. You understand? Yeah.
No,
I seem to disagree in your point. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Your opinion.
No, Mina, that's my opinion. I'm not saying it's like that.
Okay.
It's just my opinion.
Mina yabona mina on my opinion ama relationship amaningi wabo baby daddy nabo baby mama aphela during before even the baby azalwa. Because remember,
that's the point.
If you are a guy, you are not used to ama tantrums na nezinto ezizoza no baby mama maseka pregnant. Uzokwenza izinto eziningi, there will be a lot of fights lapho that will lead you ukuthi uthando lwakho for yena drop.
Yeah, that's true.
And then after already umntwana masekazala already things are no longer the same between you guys.
Efika
that's true.
efika nje vele
Already masekafika sekuyateka
complications.
bese wena baby daddy awukathengi ini ivele lishabalale.
Yeah, iqiniso.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Mina, it does my opinion.
Ne?
Serious, it does my opinion.
I don't know mfethu yabo mfethu ngingasho ngithi yabo kulezi zinto lezi kanje kumele kube khona uthando qala.
Yeah.
Yabo it happens njalo ekhathini eningi makwenzeka ukuthi ubaby mama and a baby daddy it's unplanned kusuke kuyinto unplanned kuma relationship ukuthi okay we not planning to have a baby anytime soon.
Yeah.
So kwenzeke
Yeah,
ukuthi okay
kwenzeke,
now
yeah.
okay baby now
Inbamba of God.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Okay now kusenginengane yabo. So it takes two people to raise a child.
True.
Yabo. So kumele nje nazi ukuthi nihlela kanjani into yeni even if ngathiwa mhlawumbe there are complications because ama complications abasekuthenini a baby daddy usupportive kangakanani too. Ubaby mama esakhulelwe as you said.
Yeah, true.
Yabo.
That's the main one. Kahle.
Ukhona mina mange clinic.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yeah.
During ama pains engwa
Are you there?
experience. Are you there?
Yeah.
It's small things
Yeah.
that matters most.
Yeah.
Kune can you google that ukuthi kunaleli gama leli elikhona I trauma abanayo umuntu okhulelwe.
Yeah.
You can google
Yeah.
ukuthi what ibizwa ngani.
Yeah. What's the name of
What's
the
the
trauma?
name of the trauma?
Yeah.
Asuke ebanayo emphazamisayo ukuthi anga operate ngendlela operate ngayo.
What's the name of the trauma? When
That pregnant woman go
pregnant
through.
woman bazokutshela ukuthi sengikhohliwe.
Hayi ngiyanizwa madoda but nina esabantu abadlulile kiyo, do you think ikhona indlela yokuyipreventa, like you can prevent this thing?
Yeah, as I said ukuthi it takes two people to raise
a child, yeah.
Yabo. So kuyona yonke lento wena ukuze uzokwazi ukuhlala you must understand this thing abazoyimensiona la.
I'm not sure if it's the correct one, but it says pre and perinatal trauma.
Yes, that's the one. That's the one.
Pre and what?
Perinatal.
Perinatal.
Isilungu madoda, isilungu.
Perinatal.
Isilungu says
perinatal trauma.
Yes, trauma.
Okay, sure.
That's what they say. Yeah.
Okay, read ukuthi
okay,
ichazani.
definition.
Yeah.
this term is used to describe trauma experience during pregnancy. Is pre and perinatal trauma. This encompasses experiences of trauma that occur both before birth and during the first weeks after birth. It can also refer to specific trauma of having traumatic birth. Additionally, a woman may develop post-traumatic stress disorder after a traumatic birth or other stressful event during the pregnancy.
So kusho ukuthi mina my definition be right ukuthi umuntu maqeda ukuba pregnant, the way you used to be with her change, and most of the time amajita it change le we are not used to it. So that leads to the male and the female drifting apart.
Yes.
And then mase ba drift apart, mase ifika ingane, it's not ukuthi stress is fikile, there's that post the stress that comes after pregnancy.
Then,
Okay,
after
okay.
Then that one, it's a nail on the coffin.
Yeah.
It just let you drift apart.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. No, mina going back to whatever it said the
Yeah.
igama isingisi. Okay. So lento le umuntu esifazane uqala aluze, I can say uyayiluza I self esteem kuyena. Yabo uyayiluza self esteem kuyena. So in order for her to develop leyo self esteem, wena as a baby did, you must always compliment her every time. Even ngisho kuthi uyambona ukuthi uyazi ke fethi izinto ezenzakalayo
during pregnancy.
Iphumule ibangaka.
Ubambukaka esheke enyaweni enkulu.
Yawazi lama video wako TikTok
You cannot ayikho into okwazi ukuyenza.
At I was this beautiful before I was pregnant.
You know how women change that.
Pregnant.
Yes. Iyona lento esikhuluma ngayo manje.
Uphefumula double.
Ubamba abanye bagcina befana nalokhana lo la ngemuva. Sokuthi yellow bone leli but
sekashintshile manje.
Useshintshile manje lo muntu lo. Akaseyona le yacherry le wathi wow ish le umuntu lo. Yabo
But can we really base love on like the way the person looks? Can we really base love on how the person looks?
Okay. Uthando mfethu. In my own opinion,
It's all about the opinion.
The opinion.
Opinion.
All about
In my own opinions.
Yeah.
Love mfethu, love it doesn't have to go ukuthi umuntu ubuya kanjani. Yabo because uthando angazi mhlawumbe ngizophinde ngibuze. Umuntu umthanda ngengqondo noma umthanda ngenhliziyo.
Inhliziyo ihamba nengqondo. Inhliziyo
ihamba nengqondo. Hayi zihambiselana.
It's your heart ihamba nengqondo yakho.
Umuntu umthanda ngengqondo noma ngenhliziyo na. I want to say your opinion.
Hence nabangedile my hand
Inhliziyo
inhliziyo
umuntu umthanda
Ngenhliziyo.
ngenhliziyo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mina I'm sorry but kuzomela ngimphikise lapho. Akwazi mfethu ukuthi umuntu ungamthanda ngenhliziyo. Yini eyenza ukuthi inhliziyo yazi ukuthi lo muntu uyamthanda because it's the mind. Yabo the mind iyona ekutshela ukuthi no.
Hence iswela sithi
So you can't
ihamba nengqondo.
ihamba nengqondo.
Inhliziyo it's an organ.
Okay,
Inhliziyo it's an organ. It doesn't play any part kuma feelings, guys. Ama feelings they are in the mind.
Siyakuzwa ne, but we can argue that point because if inhliziyo if umuntu umthanda ngengqondo, what if ingqondo zakho kusasa zivuka zithi mina lo muntu awumthandi uyamlahla? That's why love it comes from a heart, and love it's not a feeling. Love it's a choice, Brian. Because if love it's a feeling, there will be days ozovuka uthi mina I don't have feelings for you. Because to be honest, love it's not the same. If you are nisaqala ukudibana nalo muntu, love it's high. Love it's beautiful. You are on a new love phase. There will be a time ezofika whereby love it's low or love is no longer there.
Exactly, for sure.
But because you chose to love this person, you'll stay with her even if it's hard. That's why even when it's hard, when indlela elidago it leads to break up, but you choose to stay with the person because it's a choice.
Okay, Chief. Okay, just to confirm kancane, what do you mean by love is a choice?
A choice. You choose.
You choose to love.
You choose to love.
Yeah, I can agree.
Okay. Will you disagree with me if I say love it's ngathini? Love is like compulsory, but relationship is a choice.
Don't go there.
Yeah.
Uthini?
understand that shit?
Uthi love is compulsory.
Love is compulsory.
in
So it's
relationship.
compulsory to love someone.
Yes, but not to be in a relationship with that person.
So you can love a person but not be in a relationship with her.
Yes, yes.
It goes back to what I'm saying, because even if love is compulsory and you choose not to be in love with that person, it's your choice. That's why my choice is to stay with that person even if it's hard. That's why we say love is a choice. You choose to be in a relationship or not.
Okay, so you choose to love someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys,
You
we
ch-
are
okay,
running
but
away
for-
from the
No,
question
but
you
for-
asked.
but for
What
both.
is love? We are talking about what is love. Sina sesihambe kakhulu. We are shifting from the question. We are shifting from the question.
Okay, me
What
for
is
me,
love?
I just want to ask you.
Mm.
And then I'm confused.
No, love is
you
a choice.
So
Joe.
you choose to love someone.
Yeah.
So
No.
your heart doesn't choose to love someone.
You might love someone, but choose not to be with them the way you are saying. But at the end at the same time, if you love this person, you can choose to break up with her.
How do you know you love the person?
It's a feeling.
How, okay, we know it's
Yeah,
a feeling.
it's a
How
feeling.
do you know that?
So you chose
love
that
the person?
feeling. You chose that feeling.
How do you know?
Mina,
okay, this person.
there's
Okay, hey,
a-
ngiyamthanda lo muntu.
currently there's a person that I love, ne?
Uh,
And
No, let's not go there. Let's not go there.
You're
Let's
doing
not
a
go
very
there.
great
Okay,
talk.
okay.
Yes, I want to explain what I feel.
No.
Currently.
explain it.
I want to explain this.
Mina, you
it's
know-
not the same. It's not the same. Oh, okay, I sorry.
Okay,
No.
Okay, good. Sorry, guys.
No. But we understand.
Explain it.
You,
Explain.
I want to understand the part of saying you choose to love someone. You cannot choose to love someone. I can date someone today. Ngajola no muntu today.
Yes.
And break up with that particular person and get another person, but still love the person or say move. Understand? I'm choosing to be in a relationship, but I'm still in love with the person that I was in love with before. I was in a relationship before. Sorry.
Angikwali lokho. That's why I'm saying mina it's a choice. It's a choice because okay, asitsho so, ne?
So if it's a choice, if it's a choice, so
Yeah.
unayo you have ukuthi ungamthanda lo muntu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Has a choice as in how, ne? Choice as in you can love the person and not being with them, and not being with them. That's your choice.
But you understand,
Because there's an opportunity to be with them, but you choose what? Not to be with
Okay,
them.
being with them is being with them mean you in the relationship. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
But you still love the person. It goes back to saying love it's compulsory, but relationship is a choice.
It's a choice. Okay, yes.
Just look at it that way.
Sengiyakuzwa ke.
Eh.
Bengingakuzwa
Eh.
qale. Excuse me. Sengiyakuzwa ukuthi ene uthini manje. So the question was, what is love? You were explaining. Mina, I just want to know, what is love? That's the thing I want to know.
Love, ne? Love, it's feeling. That's why it love mean it's a feeling that you feel for
What kind
someone
of a feeling?
way more than
Explain
you
the
feel for
feeling.
someone
Okay,
else.
we go straight to the feeling. Uthi, what kind of a feeling is it?
I can break the feeling le esizwako, but it's different from the other people. Angazi ukuthi bona bayibiza ngale feeling, but you can't feel love for the same people. Yazi ukuthi esikhuluma singamajita kuphela la bras. Singamajita kuphela. Kuyenzeka ukuthi ube nama relationship I3 or 4 at the same time, but you won't feel the same.
Yes.
Ngabo bonke.
Yes.
There will be that one person, ne? That's why there's a saying that says you can cheat on a girl with 4 girls. Uzokureplace nga one. Unyenyi.
Yes, okay.
Because that person, the feeling that you feel
Yeah.
for all the girls is not the same that you feel for her.
For
And
her.
if intombazane leyo A1,
A1, you can see.
ingakunyisa uyowakwatela
Okay,
wonke.
Yes.
Kengibuze la simple question. It's about the opinion angithi.
Yeah.
You say you are dating 3 girls.
Yeah.
You love this one.
Yeah.
If this one hurts you, why can't you? Because you choose to love this one. Why can't you choose to love the second one? If you say love is a choice,
It's because the feeling that you feel
hence,
it's
hence,
it's not the same for
Okay,
everyone.
hence,
okay.
hence I'm saying love is not. It's
Okay,
not,
okay.
It's not the choice.
Okay.
Love is not the choice.
1000 mele
Okay.
somutlamisa proof.
All right. Okay.
Angazi ngoba
No, love is not a choice.
angazi ngoba ipareta
Mara
ngayiwini
bafu-
netbank.
Mar imali.
Ngeke ngiyokutlamisa i-trophy le Chiefs.
Okay, mina ngizoyithinta kancane kube ngazathi ngiyifaka na kwi-religion
Yeah.
ukuthi love is God.
True.
So you must always know ukuthi uthando ulitreata as you treat uNkulunkulu. So it's very important ukuthi wazi ukuthi mangabe uthi you love this person usukuthini kuyena. If the word love kumele ni respect guys. It's a very powerful word. Love. Yabo, so mina I wanted you to explain the feeling ukuthi ini leyo because nami you're going to explain eyakhe opinion about what love is ukuthi uthando luyini. Nami ngizochaza. Yabo?
Yeah.
No.
Ayikona lemsana.
Awutholakali.
Ayikhonakali bafo.
Ayikona. Okay, why you disagree na yena kathi you must treat love the way you treat God?
No. I'm not saying you must treat, but I cannot. I'm just denying this. The fact that I must explain what love is, Chief.
I don't think love can be explained.
Love, you cannot explain love.
By words.
You can.
No, Chief, you cannot explain love.
Akasip.
No.
Let's not mutlamisi thuba.
No.
Okay.
It's like
You must get the opportunity.
It's
to
my
explain.
opinion.
Yeah.
It's my opinion.
Yeah. Get the platform is yours.
Okay. Love is a feeling. Sibuyela back to
what I was saying.
Ukuthi you were saying. It's a feeling, an unconditional feeling. Ongathi mawuyithi uyayi-explain. Okay, let's say mhlambe okay na intombi la manje okay uthi ngiyakuthanda. And then mase siyakubuza ukuthi how do you know that you love me? Ungithanda kanjani? Yini uthando? And then you have to explain to lo muntu lo right now ukuthi yini nje ukuthi uyamthanda. So uthando is an unconditional feeling. Ukuthi in kwi absence yomuntu ma ungekho naye you always want to be with them. Yabo? And you always want the best for yena more than you want. Yabo, when you always yabo, that's love. Yabo, if yabo I pain yakhe if it tends to be yours. And mangabe yeah, but when it's times 2 when it has to be times 2 when ukuthi I pain ayifilayo kuwena it's times 2.
Na ngek understand but
I guess I've never been in love before. That's what I'm telling myself.
Okay. You've never been in love.
Jolene Steve, but I've never been in love.
Yeah, they are listening.
Hey,
they are listening.
But do you agree with it's a valid topic in love? The people that gets hurt the most, it's us guys.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
Than girls.
That's true.
Kahle okay. Wait. Kwi relationship ngisingakayivali. Kwi relationship umuntu okumele alide is a guy.
Yes.
So kuye yonke into eyenzakalayo kwi relationship uwena ozoyidrive. Yabo umuntu esifazane if uzomthanda bro, umthande ngalendlela ukuthi uyamthanda nje. Yabo. Ayikho into engayenza afile ispace ukuthi okay khona la ungakwazi khona. It doesn't have to be ukuthi mhlawumbe ama finances and what umuntu wamthanda nje ungena twa
but
yena but be enough kuyena
phela yazi ukuthi lento injani bafune mina I can love you to a certain extent but I can't dictate the way when are you gonna love me back. I can love you unconditionally when
that's the tricky part about love.
But when I can't dictate your love,
it's
a part about love.
It's a win or lose situation.
Yeah.
True. But I can say
I'm not willing to play that win or lose game, bruh.
Yeah.
But that's a topic for another day, bruh. That's a topic for another day. Mina sibuyele polweni because lwinile. At least manje siselele kopini
yabona mina I'm a Orlando Pirates fan. But I wanted that Chiefs to win that Nedbank Cup.
Okay.
It's been so long, man.
Why?
It's been so long.
It's been so long.
Yeah, it's been so long.
10 years.
But 10 years.
But
without a cup, without a league.
Without any cup.
Pela ungathi league. Pela the last team to win a league between Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates, it was Chiefs. So that's an upper hand. Remember, here's the Ipolo challenge. Ipolo ngayicali one-sided. Pirates and Sundowns have been winning trophies for the past 10 years. You know, we were not winning anything. But in terms of trophy cabinet, Kaizer Chiefs is still high. We own on our cabinet.
Yeah,
we own 90 something trophies.
It's true.
But it is not even lacing. I'm not talking about the Sundowns. Sundowns is failing to even fill the stadium. So it's not. You can't compare Sundowns to Chiefs. No. Even in Pirates, you can't compare it. So Chiefs, even if without winning for the past decade, it's still a big team between the two.
Yeah, that's true.
So you're saying Guti Chiefs is the
It's the biggest-
is
yeah,
the biggest
it's-
team
yeah,
in-
Chiefs is the
in-
biggest team in
SA.
Yeah,
SA.
yeah, that's true.
That's a fact.
Nah,
Unfortunate, it's an unfortunate part with the Chiefs has never had the privilege to win the CAF.
Yeah.
Chiefs has won CAF before. It's just not Guti at that time. Its star wasn't given.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chiefs did win a CAF before.
It has how many stars? It doesn't have. It doesn't have.
Yeah.
Yabon?
Marok Salago. Chiefs has won the CAF Champions League before. It's just that Guti at that time.
Yeah.
Istar besingekho privilege ukuthi singanikezwa sona.
Yeah, true.
Ungayigugula na ufuna igugula yabo.
Hayi mina ngazi.
Angeke. Ayingeke. Kwakumuphi lo nyaka?
Yo, angisakhumbuli lo nyaka but it was way back 90 something I believe.
Okay. Asibuyele kule nto ke le ye game le ya.
Yeah. Which game?
Le ye Pirates and the EKs.
Yeah, ku-Nedbank Cup.
Kwamele yini win EKs lapha?
No, we're not saying it was supposed to win. Yes, it was supposed to win. Yes.
No.
In terms of the game.
There were
Yeah.
so
The
many
game-
so many fouls ayekhona mangabe ukuthi nanibuka.
Besivukile. Besivukile.
Ayemaningi ama fouls urefli. Okay, I'm not sure if we are allowed to say this, but
Yeah.
I think urefli was on EKs.
Aye.
Lapha basile fair and square.
Aye.
That was the fair game.
Everyone is entitled to their own opinion, eh?
In Easto.
Ususelep. Baba be.
No, Chief Lapa, it was not about the revited basile fair and square. Let's be honest, Chief. Lapa bashaye fair and square. That was a clear penalty. It was a penalty.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The first
yeah,
goal was a
the first
penalty.
goal, yeah,
yeah.
Lapa bashaye fair and square. There's no way with Bashu Rev in Bashaye.
Yeah, Lapa.
And another thing, our coach was not. Coach was relaxed too much. The substitution now and that affected us.
But I don't think it's the coach per se. Pela remember, Iparet was playing on the CAF Champions League,
So you
the league, and the cup. Yeah, and Pela Iparet. I know if you can be Italy squad sub. Abana too many options on the bench that can come in and change the game.
That's
Once
yes.
Afaga the first 11, Masega substitute. It no good it goes further down.
Yes, you have a point there. Okay. It's scheme asifaka kwi first half was the scheme omele asifake kwi second half.
So bemela thathe the best
The
players
best
amanye
players awabeke
ngaphandle.
ngaphandle. So that
Benzoshaya.
eh
Ufuna uqala ngabo bani? Ngabo radio bani? Enzoshaya, ungadeleli ikhosi.
unganyazi course.
Enzo
Never
Shaw.
underestimate each course.
actually kodwa I can say yabo i-formation yabo was best. The way ababedlala ngayo was best. Indlela ababeyipositiona ngayo ama
Yeah.
players was the best. If ubuka nje ubona it's okay. Hey, they were playing. They were playing.
Those guys were hungry for a trophy.
They-
That's
yes.
why he says they truly deserved. I think even as a Chiefs ama player, they had that pressure with guys. It's been a decade
Yeah.
and we've never been
And-
this close to a
They-
trophy
but
in
what
the
Paul-
last 10
they
years.
Had to win.
Yeah,
They had to win.
KZN beyimenge nyawo. Unfortunately, Tina, we didn't have the privilege to go to a stadium because
Due to the ticket sales.
ama ticket sales they were sold out before they were even ready to be sold to us. So, but do you think that's true, Guti? They were trying to lift up the
Tourism, what
the
was-
tourism.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes,
true. Yeah,
yes,
it's
yes.
true.
It was
It's
true.
true. It's
It was
true.
true. They were
Definitely
aiming to have a certain money.
Yeah.
Ukuthi njengathi kuze banale game they were aiming ukuthi they must reach a certain money.
So okay, Mina, how do they benefit having money? If people
Exactly.
from outside buy the tickets, we hire transport ukusuka eJozi. How does it take really
It's a
benefit?
municipality wise.
Mhlambe yazi mhlambe njani? Mhlambe in terms of ama bookings wasemahotela.
Okay, so
Yes.
Mhlambe
So-
ama the sale of alcohol
thing.
or the sale of food and what at alcohol. Emaspaza shop I mean.
Umasipala nje we can say
Okay,
umasipala.
umasipala how to do benefit umasipala?
Umasipala benefits because
Siyakubalela.
it's
No, I'm saying if I purchase
usage of water, usage of electricity, bookings indawo lezi abayonayo everywhere.
Even I think
Liquor.
so now you
it's even linked to abantu basemahotela. I think even the people laba basemahotela they do have, even though we're not sure. It's
most
it's
of
allegedly.
the hotels.
They do have a say ukuthi la emahotela bayokbenefita kanjani, so they can manipulate the sale of ticket just for them to benefit. Remember, if 80% of the tickets are sold the Gauteng, we are guaranteed 80% bookings.
Most of the people abathengile ama-tickets, they were from Joburg.
Yeah.
Yabo. So they wanted to come to KZN.
So now you expect me ukuthi if I am ngihlale KZN, the next time kuba ne game I must purchase a ticket to go to Mozambique.
That's another story now. Ngoba umalume uCommissioner uthile wathi hambani.
Yeah, because General Mkhwanazi said
bayizisa la.
We keep a statement ukuthi we know there are people who are going to sell tickets outside of stadium.
Fake tickets.
No, not necessarily
not
fake.
necessarily fake, but
they are causing ukuhlangana lapha stadium. Hamanoza. That's what.
Go and try. You will see. You will see.
Yeah.
Law enforcement was
strong. But Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Pela everywhere it was shaking.
Kaizer, ne? Ngiyakuzwa kodwa.
Yeah, but what you're saying is a fact, buff. Okay, look at the other day. He sometimes lift up the trophy, ne? The stadium was not even full. Imagine if that was Kaizer Chiefs or all of the actually Kaizer Chiefs.
Kuzoba net is odd.
No.
After if Pirates could take the cup, kuzoba khona it is odd eningi ezowenzeka after the match.
Yazi nje uzobonana.
You saying the previous times if Pirates take the cup there was disorder.
Well, not even.
When was the time?
Not even last year.
Kushe kusha Moses Mapida. It was Moses Mapida. When was the time?
Angisakhumbula. It cup finally.
When was that?
Iqine ngathi.
Kuyagcina icishe ish.
Stellenbosch ne Pirates adlala
la. Moses Mapida baba.
Yeah.
No, but kwakuyigame enkulu at the time.
Yeah, but it wasn't that big, bra. Even yazi mina ngisenikhulumelani per se. Igame idlalile. I-pitch it was packed until midnight.
Mall kwazi abantu bayidosha.
Oh, bra, everywhere, even in Gauteng, the university people were dancing. That's how big Chiefs. That's why abantu they created this thing ukuthi if Chiefs win, the economy stands. It stands.
Office is true.
Mina vele bengekho safe, bengasadli konke nje. Bese ngikhetha la ngidla khona. Nento zambe sengizivale kathi.
Because uyasaba ukuthi ngenzeka izinto
azangipoisona. Hey ikhosi phela hey.
Yeah.
Hayi but Gabrasi Kaizer Chiefs. Uzobona yabona nje if you can check. Mamelodi Sundowns can defeat iPyramids and have another Champions League, but it won't have.
We'll see.
Even if you can win, a small team is a small team.
Okay, tell me. Okay, do you think Sundowns Mzansi is same as
Manchester City
Premier League?
The Premier League.
Yeah.
In
terms of impact.
Sundowns.
Impact.
Yeah.
Sundowns doesn't have as much impact as in Manchester City. So, okay. That's why in Manchester City, even if he win a league, if he ends for Pete, I'm a Man City fan, but it won't have the same impact as Manchester United winning the league once.
I can agree.
Yeah,
I can agree.
Because in Manchester City is not a big team on its own.
Not a big team. Yeah.
Yeah, but you can winning doesn't mean you are big. But Messi is big. Yeah,
no, Ronaldo's big.
All
right, I see again.
Why to Ronaldo's big?
No. I'm not saying he's big. So Messi's big. I love Ronaldo.
Who has?
Okay, I love Ronaldo.
Between those two.
Onani?
Goals.
Ronaldo nama goals amaningi, but in terms of goal ratio, Messi has better ratio. Because Ronaldo has played far more games than Messi. Ama wins obviously is Messi. Man of the match obviously is Messi. Individual accolades obviously is Messi. Trophies.
So you are a Messi fan?
Messi has more trophies than teams.
This is factual. It's a
you mean golden boots, or you mean
trophies like
team wins? Okay.
When you go to golden boots, that's individual trophies. Messi has the most. Messi has the most man of the match. Messi is the only player to win the Golden Ball World Cup twice. Ronaldo has never even won once.
Oh,
numbers don't lie, Chief.
So
Numbers
Messi
don't
is
lie.
big. Messi is big, bruh. Messi is the greatest player of all time in terms of accolades.
Ngithanda uRonaldo, ne? Ronaldo is my favorite, but Messi is the best.
Cristiano.
Yeah, Cristiano is my favorite, but Messi
Yeah.
is the best.
Hayi, asiphumene ebholweni, bruh. Asiphumene ebholweni.
Yeah.
Guys, kunelento nje. But this nowadays the new generation, ne? Girls basela ukudlula thina. Guys.
Hey. Poo. I can't.
Abotsheri baphuza.
Yeah.
You.
Ayaphuza.
Yo.
Ayaphuza
Abotsheri
amantombazana.
baphuza.
You okay. Okay. Yabona? All right. Sengabaleka manje kwimali. Okay, kunalama situations enzakalayo. Sandwa sami sorry. Kunama situations enzakalayo ne mangabe kusuke kuhlelwe nje. Kuyaphuzwa. We decide ukuthi ke manje okay mfethu ayike mina ngiyolala. Girls are always the ones abafuna ukuthi iqhutshekwe.
Vele.
That's true.
Recently.
Yes, njalo mfethu they are always the ones abathi ayingeke hayibo safuna lesithenga utshwala so
Aphela kuvalwanga kuphi.
Yo.
they always even know the places.
Amaslay Queen.
Unfortunately.
Yazi njene, if you can compare generation yamanje ne generation ya way back, you might find out ukuthi generation ya way back didn't even drink at all.
Yeah.
Or it was 1%.
No, but most of the women abadala man were not drinking like that.
Ay, brabe
Baphuza abotsheri.
manje.
They
Manje
even drink
kuyaphuzwa
beer.
mfethu.
Black Label bro.
They drink beer.
Isavana it's one of the best bought beers la eMzansi. And yazi ukuthi iphuza
Bafazi.
Bafazi.
And umgqomo.
Mamrup.
Bayibekela.
Bayibiza ngamamrup.
Bayibekela. Ehloko bathi.
Umuntu ashaya 6 uzibuza ukuthi mara lo muntu mara kanjani.
Dala bomama
Angabi na-net.
bebabeka amabhakede.
Yeah,
Bona babeka
bona
isavana bathi. Sikhathe sobe sebasibuza ukuthi sishada nini.
Abantu esobashada the generation we going to marry.
I ask myself always ukuthi ngolosine sazoba nabo mama.
Mara ama 2K. Mara ama 2K bafethu. Yabo ama 2K.
2K.
Ama 2K fethu.
2K.
2Ks.
Oh, abo mama
2K.
bomthandaza
Oh,
basekho.
yes.
Abasekho bathandaza they are praying in the bottle.
Generation yethu angeke basaba khona.
Kunenye musishow ilokanje kumoja love ithi exposing fake churches or fake what. Kunenye inkonzo bathi yini phuza church or
Phuza church.
umfundisa khona ngumama.
Wephuzile.
Egameni le Amstel siyaphuza manje. Amen.
Very
True story.
Ah,
Zokusharela link yakho uyibone. That's how bad it is, bra. Mina okay, when on your own, uma yokhetha umfazi ophuza.
Mina unfortunately as I said, I think a woman's beauty is in her behavior. The way abehave ngayo. Lo muntu lo mina ngumZulu uzwana magethu untshosho ndamkhonto unsele. Asuka le madoda. Uyabona so
Ayisuka nini?
Yabo so mina ngithatha serious ibehavior yomuntu esifazane ukuthi lo muntu phela usuke ezovusa umuzi kaBaba. Umuzi kaBaba lo esikhuluma ngawo.
Hayi,
So mangabe
amandla
ngithi mina
njalo,
ngizothatha isavana la ekhanda engeke ihambe emfuleni yokha amanzi. Isavana izothola yona isavana.
Yo.
Okay,
Uzothwala isavana.
ayimina lento ukuthi umuntu ayemfuleni akuthola amazi bafo.
Webafo. Mina bafo mina imzulu.
No, it's not about being a Zulu now. In also in our tribe.
Okay.
That was happening. So now I'm saying, now do you still believe with the abafazi that we're gonna take? Still have to go to Mfuleni?
No, actually, Pela, we are living in
times have changed.
What generation we living? Third, fourth,
Fourth generation.
fourth
I think,
generation.
manje,
Yeah. Esiphila kuyo. So I lifestyle iya advance itself. Yabo.
Yeah.
But yabo I behavior yakhe doesn't have to change. Yabo umuntu esifazana ohloniphayo, bra, is everything.
Yeah.
Respect.
Respect.
Yabo laba bamanje ama 2K uzithi
Yes. But for mina bafo I for one ne opinion now says opinion nakho. Mina I for one, I don't judge, bra. If umuntu wamemela phuze if ufuna ukuphuza phuza.
Yeah,
but ukuphuza kwakho mangakwenza ukuthi kungidisrespect as the man of the house.
Yes.
Makungakwenza ukuthi ngikhulise ingane zakamakhelwane or ingane zala uthenga khona utshwala.
Yes.
Ungahambulala. Ukuphuza is not a problem, but the things that people do masebaphuzile, it tends to become a problem.
So what are you saying? Between alcohol and a person, who's the problem?
A person.
Yeah.
A person.
True.
okay.
I'm not defending alcohol, bro. I'm not defending alcohol. But utshwala mnakinga, but a person unekinga.
Umuntu.
Yeah, there are people who abadakwayo because they do not misbehave.
And bachadile ba right. Umuntu uyaya emzini wakhe, brazi hloniphe.
They are all timers ubabone ukuthi
okay. Sibuyela kule we going back to le yakho ke le kade uyichaza manje ukuthi umuntu angaphuza umuntu wakhe angaphuza mina in my own opinions so in my own opinion mfethu mina okay nami I'm one of the guys engathi I don't mind umuntu wesifazane but I'm saying it doesn't have to happen like it has to be occasionally yabo ukuthi yabo occasionally mangabe sijabule birthdays on birthdays ama outings ama dates yabo and mina ngikuthanda kakhulu masizokwenza sobabili yabo because yabo lento le abangani mfethu bane influence kakhulu mfethu yabo mngani mfethu angazi mfethu wena ufike umdrope ungamdrop umuntu umdrope la abakhona abangani bakhe they will see mfethu they are big posers money ching athi ngeke mngani loyana usanele akekho usanele ngeke akekho lana usanele yabo and there are guys yabo bafethu there are guys I saw on TikTok mfethu enyithekeni yani umjitha gave intombazane like 3k just for inamba ezu10 just nje ukuthi uyamnikeza nje ukuthi nje 3k just for inamba ezu10
so wena utheke nokho ngeke ahambe la njalo
bra mfethu I don't mind but nje okay there is a time okumele abuyele ngasendlini
mara that's not an
how do you feel bro ulele endlini umuntu wakho is outside ngabo 11 12 1 2 and she is drunk
akube ne limit bra let's talk mina
we are talking about your woman your main one
baby uyahamba uyobuya esikhatsini baby by 11 o'clock I'll be home sure or baby by 11 o'clock please pick me up sure I'll be there to pick you up if when you say something and do something else then that's where we start to have a problem remember this is not frequently mina in my defense it's not every girl ophumayo ombona kweklabini is out looking for girls or bowlers or whatever bakhona abantazana abaphumako genuinely to go and drink baphuza utshwala and have fun and enjoy just to distress or just to do whatever and
just
go back
fun.
home.
Okay, Task. What do you say about the influence of friends in yonke lento esikhuluma ngayo? What do you say influence of friends kumuntu wakho?
It kuya ngokuthi umuntu wakho nabangani abanjani to start with. Okay. And what are the values? Phela remember when uphesa ngang-influencer but there's this thing that is engraved in me. And angeke ngithi uphesi sekang-influenceile mina sengichithile ngithi mina ngifebise nguphesi. This thing was all in me all along. It's just nekuthi uphesi uvuselele whatever that was there.
So you're saying influence is not there kakhulu?
Ikona but for you to follow.
Wena oyichuzelayo.
Yeah. Because abakhipha isibhamu at gunpoint bathi
Kambo cheater.
Bram yabona ukucheater Bram it's even if you are drunk it's too much because you still have to undress. Samuel, you have to go with this person. Yabona especially ukulala
stranger, total stranger.
Ukulala entombazaneni it's something that is deep. If intombazana iyakhona ukukhumula ilale nawe.
Imagine a mistake ende kanje. That process.
No, Brian.
The mistake
was a mistake.
No.
I can't blame that on friends, Brian. If you are able to undress
this is actually going it's going straight to EGBV. You could see where it starts. It starts in kuma situations akanjalo. Okay, let's say if it's umuntu wakho ufike wamdropa ne let's say mhlambe okay uhambile umdropa la ekhona abangani bakhe abakhona abajabula kumnandi ufike wamdropa khona yabo and then out of the blue you're trying to call awusamtholi.
Yeah, that's a reflect. A big one.
Yabo uyafona awumtholi. Obviously if it's as umuntu wakho yabo obviously mhlambe you're going to try and just go there and then if you ufike lapha yana kunama Corona Hennessy Istropezi yabo kudekiwe
into mose before uyiqala uyibone ku status ihliziyo ithi itop limix namanzi
Nakho la sekudekiwe. How
I once experienced that. I once dropped a girl on, it was Sunday. I'm drop by some place. Where I used to stay in Tunzini, ne?
2 minutes sesiyaventa.
I drop a girl. About 3 o'clock. There was an event. There was an all-white event, ne? I'm drop by, it was Sunday. Around about 7 o'clock, that girl was not online WhatsApp anymore. The girl only came Monday, around about 1 o'clock. Afternoon.
Girls.
Weapon formed against us.
Yeah.
Aye, Bafethu. Moving on to the next one. Before we close, there's this thing now engenile. Prasangazi nibonile na. Guys, boyfriends are killing ama girlfriend.
Fethu.
Or girlfriends are killing ama boyfriend, vice versa.
Okay, mina I would think ngiyangithatha snacks. If a boyfriend kills a girlfriend, izoba buhlungu and it will trend. Ne?
Yeah.
But if it's the other way around, nasi that won't trend.
Okay.
True.
I'm
True.
Okay. I'm sorry.
It seems like
I'm just
I'm not saying we don't deserve to be killed.
Yeah.
No one
True.
deserves to be
No
killed.
one.
Both
Both sides.
sides.
It must be what
umuntu esifazane can kill you verbally. Yamazi amazwi umuntu esifazane mfethu ezothi awilutho wena.
Yeah, ulutho wena.
You are stupid.
Yo.
Awunalutho empilweni. And as Tina, as guys, yabo mfethu we hustle a lot.
Yeah.
Umuntu esifazane who doesn't believe in your dreams. Ongawabuki ngalendlela wena wabuka ngayo. Mhlambe like let me say as ngikwi music industry.
Yeah.
Yabo ukuphumelela kumculo it's a long process.
Yeah.
A big one.
And ungagcina ungaphumelelanga futhi.
Yeah.
Yabo but it takes ukuthi wena lento yenza uyithanda kangakanani and only to find out ukuthi lo muntu loyo uthandana naye akabelieveli kwamaphupho akho. Into azoyisho kuyo kwena go and look for a job.
Oh. And yes, referring to what you are saying, it's very painful ukuthi umuntu uzama your best. Uze wena uzinciphise just for her to be fine. Abuya azokutshela ukuthi ngiyafana ungenzelani. Awungenzeli.
I guess you'll never be enough. You'll never be enough.
And going to lento ke le
GPV
and the killings. The killing starts where we are now. Last khuluma khona. It starts with ama verbals.
Yes.
Ukuthi wena the way okhuluma ngayo nami ayikho right. Yabo mfethu ayikho ebuhlungu njengomuntu osifazana ongahloniphi. Yabo a woman ezovele nje akuthatha kubhekisele nje ngezwe elilodwa nje azolisho akubhekisele yabo ngazathi angazi ngathi kushoniwe ngashonela umuntu.
I always ask myself ukuthi engengakanani ekwenza ukuthi ukhiphe uphefumulo umuntu.
Yeah,
especially the person you know you're in love with.
It's the things we go through as guys that we don't talk about.
True. They build up, Joe.
Mina I'm always saying ukuthi enene ungathi ngoba umjitha it's not good for you to cry.
Yeah.
Or it's not good for you to show your pain. Ukuthi what you're going through. First ngoba uyaphila usenyameni. If you have to cry, first cry. Thina as ama outside akho first mele sikubone. We need to see you crying. Yabo ukuthi yabo bra okay ubra because manje wena usina sofisa kushiyadi sishayina ama beers
but ukhalela
how first all of a sudden manje sesiyafonelwa manje ukuthi ayingeke uthatha intambo wayifaka la phezulu
ukhalela kuphi ukhalela amajiteni or ukhalela into emntwini wakho.
There must always be a person okwazi ukuba comfortable ukuthi umtshele izinto odlula every time. You must always that one person ube naye umuntu oyedwa ozokwazi ukukhuluma naye izinto your deep stuff yabo it can be your partner, it can be uyakwazi ukubona umuntu ukuthi okay this person lo ngakwazi I'm able to ukuthi ngikhulume yonke into
ukuthi ume short kangakanani nakho
it
depends.
Yebo kodwa kubalekile ukuthi ube naye. Mina I'm always saying ukuthi like angathi ube nomuntu ozoba i-therapy yakho.
Yeah, you must check chief because there's this guy yes apparently waventa kuchiraka ukuthi umalume yakhe uyamu
uyamtapeta.
Then the girl nabala kwathi that's why malume wakho akushaya ngapha nje
I'm sorry.
Yabona that's why amajita angavente bafazini because ukuventa kwakho it tends to be isivigo sakhe masenilwa.
Nasenilwa.
She tends to use that against you, and once you use that against umuntu
the killings
akutshelile,
the killings guys yabo lento le ama killings mfethu it's
mina
very
vane-
painful.
it's obsession, bruh.
It's very painful and it has machisa musana ube shimani yabo nje
Yeah,
mfethu,
Shima.
yabo mfethu umuntu esifazane once waqala wenzile izinto mfethu ezi reserve space
Yeah.
esokuthi yabo manje ngizophoxa anytime soon I am going to get disappointed in
Yeah,
this
that's
woman
true.
because manje lento yabo mfethu into enesidina amajitha mfethu investa kakhulu financially kumathekeni uthando bafethu it's not about money it doesn't have to
But
be money
Chief, when you love a person, you
but kwi
invest.
generation esiphila kuyona it's iyona manje into ehamba phambili kakhulu
Yeah,
ukuthi
that's
yabona amathekeni aflex ukuthi okay boyfriend yami ngithengele ama red flowers yangithengela ini
Le iqiniso le.
we
It's a competition now. Chief.
Bafethu,
It's a competition.
bafethu.
Eh.
Sesikhulume kakhulu ngabantazana. Manje ngithela amanzi la ngaphuma induthu.
kashisa
Kushisa la epokotweni.
but the amajitha they need to stop lento le ukuthi
Yeah,
enene
guys.
it's not good. It's not good.
Killing doesn't solve anything. It just causes more problems.
Walk away.
Just walk away.
Ayispani.
Brian.
Yeah.
Eventually
Asali.
izodlula.
Mm.
Eventually
Eventually.
izodlula. You get over that person. Chief.
Fethu yabona if have you ever heard kodwa uthi akakaza be
No.
You said akakaza be in love. So
Based
have you
on-
heard
no,
have you
know
ever
what I
heard
was saying.
I break
Yeah,
up
but
ezokuzacisa
Chief, listen,
ungakwazi
no. I'm saying based on what you were saying, you make me like you feel like I never been in love before. I guess I never been in love. You understand?
Khanona, the time you are in love, bonjani?
There are things that I did when I was in love. Mangisbega manje, I'm not proud of them.
That's a topic for another day. Hallelujah. Guys, you are watching Podchat 101. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe. This is figure guys, please make sure you like, share and subscribe. You'll need your support. And we've got a surprise for you on our next episode. Please make sure you tune in. Sanela Z and Pavren and Tasco. Until the next one, Danko.